In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Flow, a powerful tool for automating workflows across your preferred apps and services, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To begin, navigate to the Zoho Flow homepage. Once there, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your Zoho credentials, namely your email and password. If you happen to be a newcomer and haven't had the chance to set up a Zoho account yet, it's quick and easy. Simply click on the Sign Up link, which is also on the login page, and follow the straightforward instructions to create your new account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and a password to secure your new account. Once you verify your email, you're all set to proceed. Now, assuming you've got your credentials entered and your account ready, hit that login button. This will lead you to a page where you'll choose your organization or workspace. For those who are already part of an existing Zoho organization, simply select it from the options provided. If you're seeing your organization listed, that means you've already been associated with one prior and can go ahead by selecting it to continue on to the Zoho Flow dashboard. Here, you can start creating and managing your workflows. However, if your journey with Zoho is just beginning and you haven't set up an organization yet, don't worry, this next step is for you. Zoho will prompt you to create one. You'll be asked for some essential details about your organization. Choose a company name that best represents your business or team. This will be the name others might see when interacting with your workflows. You'll also need to provide your region. This information helps Zoho personalize and optimize your experience based on your locale. Once all these details are entered, click to proceed, and you'll establish your very own Zoho organization. There you have it. You've now accessed Zoho Flow successfully and set up your organizational environment. From here, you have the freedom to explore the vast capabilities of Zoho Flow, tailoring it to meet your specific needs. Remember that Zoho offers a range of helpful resources and support should you need assistance or inspiration on crafting your workflows. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this walkthrough simple and easy to understand. Remember to